The filling that makes these macarons unforgettable. Blackberry puree, white chocolate, heavy cream, glucose syrup, precision matters here. Bring it to simmer until it's deep, rich, and glossy, and the chocolate is melted. Blend to that silky, smooth texture and add cream cheese. This is what makes it extraordinary. Rest in the fridge for a couple of hours. Pipe it generously because these shells deserve it. The shells recipe is a separate video and it's linked in pinned comments. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.